So these cherry blossom shoe wipes seem like a good idea, but let's give them a try and find out. Now this is the perfect opportunity for me to show this, because one of my team have come in and they've been walking in the rain and the dust and their shoes aren't looking perfect. So I've given him some of these cherry blossom shoe wipes to see how good they are. And that actually looks pretty decent. I mean, his shoes weren't terrible, but they definitely had marks and stuff on them. But these are bringing them up pretty nicely. Is it like a parade gloss? Not really. But it does look decent. That's more than going to pass muster with the clients. And it's been a 2-second rub to get them to look like that. Now, these packs of 12 cost between £3 and £4, depending where you buy them from. No actual colour to these cloths, which means there's no real danger of it getting on anything else. Here I'm doing it on a cream carpet and I've got zero danger of marking that carpet. That's something I would never do with black shoe polish. But of course, here lies the rub, if you will excuse the pun. The advantage of them not having a black colour is useful, that you can use them on any colour of shoe, you can use them in any situation, you won't get it on your hands. But the problem is they can't make shoes blacker, so you can only use them on shoes that are dirty rather than scuffed or rubbed. They will do nothing on scuffed shoes. So to sum up, I will definitely be carrying one of these packs in my bag everywhere I go, because it's very useful. But I will also be polishing my shoes properly at every opportunity to keep them in their best possible condition. I'd say these are the perfect emergency cleaning wipes. I've included a link in the description below. If you want to buy them through there, I think I get about 20 pence. It's not a lot, but it's the same price for you as buying them anywhere else, so why not? I hope you found that useful. If you want to see a video about how to clean your shoes properly, I'll pop the link up there or somewhere around here so you can have a watch of that. Thanks very much, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye-bye.